Hey, how's it going? Drew Sanford here with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this beautiful 2026 Boston Whaler Montauk 170. If we start back here, we're going to see our jump seats that come with our fore and aft seating package that flip up nicely to get to a step. The backrests are removable, so you could see your rod holders in the back. You have one on each side. This comes with the 115 Merc, wide open. You're sitting at around 45 to 46 mile an hour, which is plenty for this boat. As we walk our way forward, we're gonna see our reversible pilot seat. So we can have it in the forward setting for nice, comfortable cruising. In the aft setting, if we're doing a little fishing. And then in that aft setting, you also get access to an insulated box that could be for cooler storage or lines and fenders, whatever you need to use it for. As we keep going forward, we get to the helm. In a nice, very clean console. You have your throttle, you have your wheel, nothing you don't need and everything you do need. You have easy switching for your horn, lights, bilge, and any accessories that you want to put forward. On the port side, you have access to your batteries and more storage in the console as well, with a couple little cup holders. We have our bimini top right here that gives plenty of shade. This one is a black bimini top. And then you see what we get with our fishing package. So you have 4 rod holders and a cooler seat with a cushion on top. So for some extra seating, that also comes with that compass console. We walk our way forward and we see some more storage. Another cooler box for a little extra space. Put some fish, some drinks, whatever you want to use it for, all under that forward seating that you get with that seating package. All snaps in. Underneath you have your anchor locker and then your nav lights up front. This also has the split bow rail with the high rails in the rear. So you have a full high rail package. If you think you'd be interested in this boat, come check us out, MarineMax Huntington, or give us a call, 631-424-2710. We'll see you then.